every component in this product is sourced and made in America. Hi, I'm Jason with rucRak, and we're here at rucRak headquarters in Graham, North Carolina, and I'm here with my buddy Jeff with Gear-Report.com. Today we're going to talk about where the rucRak was born, how the idea evolved, and how we became who we are today. 4 years ago, my then girlfriend and I were going on a beach trip. I wanted to take my freedom tops off of my Jeep so that we could ride down the highway and pretend we were teenagers. When I got to the back of the Jeep, I had found that, of course, it was full, and the Jeeps are easily filled up very quickly. There's not a lot of room in the back of them. I was not able to take my freedom tops off and take them with us. So I came home from that trip and said, surely there was a viable solution for that, and we didn't find anything we really liked. So we came up with this first, and this is the Gen 1 rucRak, and it was made only to carry your freedom tops, maybe a little luggage, and it was a very simple design. We liked it, and my partners and I decided at that point that we could do more. So 12 versions later, we came up with this, and we have conceived now what we think and what we market as the most versatile cargo system in the world. It lives on the back of your vehicle. It's 100% aluminum, all stainless steel hardware, and it's 100% made in America. In this position, now you have extra room for your freedom tops, your cooler, your luggage, your camp gear, whatever you can think of to put on the back of your vehicle up to 150 pounds. We figured we could do more with this, and this is something that nobody in the world is doing right now. And if you flip this basket in this position, now you have a 2-position bike rack, and you can carry two full-size bicycles, kids' bicycles, with axle to axle of 28 inches to 45 inches. Put them on there, strap it on here, take your bikes with you. When you get to the campsite or on the beach or on the trail, or you don't feel like hanging out with the people inside of the restaurant you're at, you flip this tailgater table down, and now you have a party on wheels. We've had these cup holders put in. They'll fit a Dixie cup, a Solo cup, or any Yeti cup, or anything of that size. We also have provisions to put tool mounts. We use quick fist tool mounts to put here, or you can decide. A lot of guys are putting their license plates off of their stock location and on the back of their vehicles. We have provisions to do that. We also have provisions to put things like bottle openers, your Rotopacks, more fishing rod holders we can put here. There's provisions to put flagpole holders on each side, or you can drop an umbrella in those if you need some shade. What we've tried to do is incorporate as many things as we can into one product without you having to go and buy several different products, store them in the garage, get them in the way. This thing lives on the back of your vehicle, and it's always ready when you are.
So if the person watching this is like, oh my God, I've got to have one.
Okay.
How can they get one?
So you can get these right now through rucRak.com, rucRak.com, and we will be coming out with a distributor program. So if you're interested in the distributorship and want to distribute rucRak, give us a shout at rucRak.com. There's a email there to get in touch with us. The decals you see on here are one of 6 that will come with the rucRak that you'll get to personalize your rucRak however you want to. We chose this one for our display model because we want to make sure that people know that every component in this product is sourced and made in America.